first Roman is explain briefly on the term of outstanding balance and outstanding areas. Second Roman is the formula used to calculate the outstanding balance and outstanding areas. Okay, I will explain briefly on the term of outstanding balance and outstanding areas. First, outstanding balance refer to the amount still owed on a loan from the perspective of a borrower or lender. For example, we believe that the borrower has to pay less than the total single payment because the interest will be reduced according to the early settlements. Second, outstanding areas. When you have late payments, in this case, we think that the borrower should pay more than the total missed payment due to the increase in the interest charge. For example, borrower missed the first 3 payments and needs to settle outstanding balance on the 4th payment. Okay, question 1B is Kabit made equal payments of 2,106 and 71 cents every 2 months for 8 years at 6% interest compound every 2 months. So we need to find the original value of the loan. First, we need to list the important information. So we got R equal to 2,106 and 71 cents. Second, the formula to calculate N is N equal to M times T. So M equal to 6, T equal to 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. Third, I interest rate equal to 0.01. So the formula to calculate the original value is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and the power of negative N over I close bracket. So R is 2,106 and 71 cents open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.01 close bracket the power of negative 48 over 0.01 close bracket. So R equal to 2,106 71 cents open bracket 0.3797 over 0.01 close bracket. So we need to divide this. Okay, 2,106 and 71 cents open bracket 37.97 close bracket. So we times that. So we got the final answer is A equal to 79,991 78 cents.
C. Ariana planned to purchase an apartment that cost 158,000 ringgit. She had to pay a 10% down payment. Roman 1. If she deposit 1,178.04 ringgit every 3 months in an account that paid interest of 8% compound quarterly, how many payments would she do so? Roman 2. She took a loan to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 25 years and to be paid monthly at the rate of 6% compound monthly. A. Find the monthly payment for the loan. B. After paying the loan for 12 years, she decided to sell the apartment. How much must she pay to settle the balance of the loan before selling the apartment? So, we got the cost equals to 158,000 ringgit and down payment equals to 10%. We use the formula S equals to 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 158,000 ringgit. So, we got the answer 15,800 ringgit. We use the formula future value S equals to P open bracket 1 plus I power of N minus 1 divided by I close bracket. So N refer to number of payment. We got the answer 2.414179485 plus 1 equals to 1.02 power of M. So after that, we use the log 3.414179485 equals to N log 1.02. N equals to log 3.414179485 divided by log 1.02. So the final result is N equals to 62 payment. Roman 2. A refers to 158,000 ringgit minus by 15,800 ringgit equals to 142,200 ringgit. T refers to 25 years, K refers to 6%, and M refers to 12 because compound monthly. So we use the formula present value. A equals to R open bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative N divided by I close bracket. After we use the calculator, we got the answer is 142,200 equals to R open bracket 155.206864 close bracket. So 142,200 divided by 155.206864 equals to R. So the final result is R equals to 916.20 ringgit. So N equals to 25 minus 12 equals 13. 13 bracket 12, we got the answer is 156. We use the formula outstanding balance. So A power of N equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative N divided by I. After that, 916.20 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 power of negative 13 bracket 12 divided by 0.06 divided by 12 bracket. So we got the final answer is 99078.20 ringgit. Question 2 is about trade and cash discount. A washing machine that costs 3,000 ringgit is given trade discounts of 20% and 15%. A further 3% cash discount will be given if it is paid within 5 days. Find the total discounts obtained if the payment is made within the cash discount period. In this question, we use the formula NP equals to L. Open bracket, bracket 1 minus D1, bracket 1 minus D2, bracket 1 minus C1, close bracket. After we using calculator, we got the NP equals to 109,078.80 ringgit. P equals to L minus NP equals 3,000 minus 109,078.80 ringgit. So the final answer is D equals to 121.20 ringgit.
B. AFN company was offered trade discount of 15% and 10% for some item bulk. The company received an invoice date 18 April 2022 with cash discount term of 510, 315, 220 and N30. On 2nd May 2022, the company paid RM 5,513.80 cents. Find the list price of the item. To find the answer for question 2B, first we need to find the total of day to know how much we receive the cash discount. The total of day we find is 14 days, so we receive cash discount equal to 3%. Then we gather all the information from the question. The net price NP is 5,513.80 cents. Discount rate 1, 50%, discount rate 2, 10%, cash discount 3%. Then we use the formula NP equal to L times 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2, 1 minus C. Then we put all the information into the formula. 5513.80 equal to L times 1 minus 0.15, 1 minus 0.1, 1 minus 0.03. Then we get 5513.80 equal to L times 0.85, 0.9, 0.97. And then we get 5513.80 equal to L times 0.74205. After that, we divide 5513.80 with 0.74205 and we get L equal to RM 7430.50. C. On 30 May 2022, a retailer received an invoice worth RM 17,500 excluding transportation cost of 200 ringgit and insurance of 150 ringgit. He was given trade discount of 15%, 12% and 10% and the cash discount term of 510, 316 and 30. 1. Explain the cash discount term 510, 316 and 30. 2. Calculate the single discount rate equivalent to the trade discount given. 3. Find the last date to get 5% cash discount. 4. Find the total payment if the retailer paid the invoice on 15 June 2022. Answer for C1. 5/10. 5% of the cash discount will be offered if the payment was made between day 1 until day 10. 3/16. 3% of the cash discount will be offered if the payment was made between day 11 until day 16. And over 30, the payment should be settled within 30 days. C2. Formula for single discount rate is D equal to 1 minus times bracket 1 minus D1, bracket 1 minus D2, bracket 1 minus D3. So we get D1 equal to 15%, D2 equal to 12%, D3 equal to 10%. So we put this into the formula. So we get D1 equal to, D equal to 1 minus time bracket 1 minus 0.15 times bracket 1 minus 0.12 times bracket 0 minus 0.1. Then we get D equal to 1 minus time 0.85, 0.88, 0.9. And then we get D equal to 1 minus 0.6732. So the answer is D equal to 0.3268. C3. To get 5% cash discount, the payment must be paid within 10 days. So last date equal to 13 May 2022 plus 10 days. So in May, we got 1 day and June we got 9 days. So the total day is 10 days. So last date to get discount is 9 June 2022. C4. To find the total payment, first we search for the total of day, so we get 16 days. And then the formula is NP equal to L times bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2 bracket 1 minus D3 bracket 1 minus C. So we put all the information in the formula. After that, NP equal to 17,500 bracket 0.85 bracket 0.88 bracket 0.9 bracket 0.97, and then NP equal to 17,500 times 0.653004. So we get NP equal to 11,424.57 cents. After that, we search for the total payment. Total payment is NP plus cost. So 11,427.57 cents plus 200 plus 150. So we get RM 11,777.57 cents.